Hey guys, this is Auto Sequence, and it's time to roll out. And I never thought I will be thinking that we would be coming here back to Alola region, because I thought we would be done. The only time I thought we might be coming back to Alola region if we're gonna log any legendary Pokemon events and unlocking legendary Pokemon, just like how we did in the previous episode. And yeah. So what we're gonna do is fly over to Big Wave Beach. I think that's what it's called. There's like one little unexplored area there. I think that's on the first island. That's if I remember. Big Wave Beach. Yeah, this is what it is. There's like a shore island there, or not island. There's like a little sea cavern there, and I thought I got everything, but it was one of the things that I left out. And wow, did we come here though? I don't remember. Oh yeah, so we didn't come here. Okay, so I guess this might be a part of our side quest as well too. I swear, I feel like I did. Everyone seems able to pull off their killer moves the moment they climb on top of Mantine. Why do you even need to keep me as an instructor? It's kinda true. And I never thought I would be doing all of this. I thought we already went through this. And we're going to keep staring at it. And we made it just happy, I guess? We never came this way, did we, huh? Thought we did. Are we even allowed to go on the beach? Are we even allowed to? Okay, yeah, I don't think we're allowed to go further than this though. Just look at that view right there, actually. Huh. Okay, so I thought I didn't know we didn't even come to that area. But that's not where I wanted us to go. We would have to come to this area right here. And it's the cave right here. I think I passed through by it. I passed by it, but I just never came here. Huh, okay. This is where we're gonna go. Okay, that's not where we're supposed to go, but that's the item we're supposed to get. You know what they should do? They should make one game that will allow us. Oh wow, you can only see half the 3DS. Yeah, so they should make a game, one game, like a Pokemon game that allows us to travel to each and every region that we have up until now, from Kanto to to Alola, like all 7 regions, like how Ash does it. I know that's like anime, but they should do that, or at least release parts by parts. And we're gonna run away from this Zubat, and we're gonna put on Repel if we even have one. So we don't even have Repel, do we? Okay, luckily we had 1 max Repel. So we're not gonna run into any more Pokemon. And we get ourselves a big Pearl. I wish I knew there was like... Okay, so I wish I knew there was something like this. But I didn't know. Alright, so for this, we're gonna need a channel for this. And we get TM24 for Thunderbolt, and I think there might be one more last side quest coming up in the next episode, and there we are. We get ourselves a light clay. And our side quest is completed. There's actually one more side quest request that I wanted us to do. I don't remember if we were done this, but this may or maybe not be our last side quest. But I think this might be our last one. Well, you know. Anyways, thanks for guys watching, and I hope you hope you guys like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, even if you're a newcomer or a returning viewer. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.